Hi friends, how are you? Today topic, first topic, what is Python? What is Python and father of father of Python? What is Python and father of Python? Hi friends, let me start the first topic in our Python language fundamentals. Language fundamentals. Language fundamentals. First topic, language fundamental. Okay. So first language fundamentals, next input and output statements, operators, flow control, like almost around 25 topics we are going to discuss. Please make sure to people clear clarity about one point, sir. If you aware the first basic classes very confidently, if you are getting perfection in basic concepts, then the remaining concepts very easy for you. That's why first 4 or 5 units, something like language fundamentals, operators, flow control, these kind of things better to have clear clarity. Automatically, remaining things will become very easy for you people. Okay, sir. Now, the first topic, language fundamentals. This is the topic what I have to discuss as the part of language fundamentals. Okay, we have to talk about introduction. We have to talk about introduction. What is, what is Python? Why the name Python? Like that. General syntax related things I will explain. Next, applications of Python. Applications of Python. Next, applications of Python. Where you can use this Python. Okay. Next, features of Python. Features of Python. Features of Python. Is the Python is open source or not? Platform independent or not? Portable or not? Like features of Python. Next, limitations of Python. Limitations of Python. We are where we can't use Python, where we cannot use Python. Next, flavors of Python. Flavors of Python. Okay, multiple flavors are available for the Python set. As it is the open source, like Jython, Anaconda Python, Iron Python, like multiple flavors are there. I will explain that what are various versions. What are various versions? Versions. So, yes. There are various versions. Python 2x, Python 2.x, Python 3.x. We have to discuss about various versions related issues like next identifiers. Next identifiers. Identifiers concepts. We have to discuss these reserved words. We have to talk identifiers concepts. We have to discuss concepts. We have to discuss under data type concepts. Sorry. Also, next identifiers concepts. We have to discuss reserved words. We have to talk, and then data types concepts we have to discuss. Then data types, data types we have to discuss, right? So under data types concepts, almost around those 14 data types we are going to discuss. Of course, all these things, fundamentals, data types, we will explain, but all these things as a separate topics we are going to discuss in the next sessions also. But here, basic idea about data types, what we are going to use in Python. So, we are going to discuss, right, right, typecasting. Next, typecasting. Typecasting. How to convert from one type to another type? Is it possible? So this is the agenda related to our language fundamentals concept. Almost around 10 hours we are going to discuss. Almost around 10 hours we are going to discuss only about these things. That's why very, very special care to understand each and every point, sir. If you are very strong in the basics, then the remaining things will become so easily you can able to understand. The remaining things will become very, very easy. That's why people, please make sure you should have clear clarity. Okay? You require to spend much time on this basic slide. You require to spend much time on this basic slide. Sir, sir, let me talk about language fundamentals. Let me talk about language fundamentals. Introduction part. Sir, first question I will ask. Can you please tell what is Python? Please respond. Python, we are going to discuss Python almost around 2 to 3 months time spent on this. On this. What is Python? Please spell out. Can I use the word? It is, tell me, what is Python? Don't tell, sir. Sir, this is one type of snake. Are you getting? In our technical terminology, it is programming language. Observe that. It is the programming language. We can develop applications by using this Python. Sir, best example, who are using calculator applications. I am sure if you know Python, you can develop that calculator. By using our Python language, what we are using, sir? Okay, Gmail applications are using gmail.com. That Gmail application you can develop by using Python. Remember. So, what is Python? Sir, Python is a programming language. Okay, well, sir, now I can use the word Python is a level programming language. Then immediately may ask, what is high level? High level means programmer friendly language. High level means programmer friendly language. We are not required to worry about low level things. Are you getting? It is a programmer friendly language, not machine friendly language. It is the programmer friendly language, not machine friendly language. Remember this one, sir. It is not machine friendly, programmer friendly by simply saying that the code we can understand. You can write the code very easily write. It is programmer friendly language, but not machine friendly language. Remember, low level activities. So, being a programmer, we are not required to worry. Sir, what is what it means? Here, observe that if I can take A is equal to 10, observe that A is equal to 10, I am taking B is equal to 20, I am taking C is equal to 30. If A is greater than B, else 40, I am taking print C. Okay, print C, sir. Are you getting print C? Sir, here, do you know if I can take this code, are you in the position to understand this code? Okay, you are not required to have any programming knowledge. Remember this one. Just observe. A is equal to 10. B, oh, the value of A is equal to 10. B is equal to 20. The value of B is 20. C is equal to 30 if A is greater than B. Else 47. So, A, what is the value of A? 10. 10 greater than 20? No, no. 10 is greater than 20. False. It fails. So, if he is satisfied, 30. Otherwise, it is 40. Then always, what is the value of C, sir? The value of C, we are going to get what? 40. Sir, if you have the kid, can you please show these 4 lines of the code to your kid? Can you tell what thing is happening? Any person without having any programming knowledge, I am sure, sir, that person can able to understand. Okay, this type of things is called high level programming language. Remember that. What is the high level programming language? So just programmer friendly. You can understand very easily. He can write very easily, right? Easily write. Okay. Well, so next, low-level activities are there. Memory management. Next, destroying objects. Next, security. These things will take care by my language itself. Being a programmer, we are not required to worry such top five languages, but are by default considered as high-level programming languages. C language, C++, Java, next Python, C Sharp. All these are high-level programming languages. Then immediately you may have the doubt. Then immediately you may have the doubt. Sir, you write, you writing just 4 lines of this code is really Python code. It is going to work. Yes, believe me, sir. It is really Python code. It is going to print 40 as the answer. If you want to observe it very carefully, same length on the code, I want to show so that you people can feel more comfortable. What are the code? A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to 30. If A is greater than B, else 40. Print C. That's all. Don't worry, sir. All these lines of the code we will explain in the next sessions very clearly. Just better to get the basic idea. Now, let me run this code. I have to save this code as text.ipnb. I have to save this code as test.ipynb. Okay, okay, sir. Means that it is the Python file. Now, let me run this code. Control plus enter. Control enter. Python, hey Python, can you please execute my test.ipynb like this? If I execute this code, what is the answer? By default, you are going to get simple 40 itself is the answer you are going to get. You want the error? What's the problem, sir? This one. Okay, take this one. Control enter. 40. 40 is the answer. Okay, sir. Next class I will discuss. Okay, thank you.